Hello again, it's Noob, and this might look like a little book, one from Lloyds Bank. Maybe it's a beginner's guide to saving and investing, I don't know. But no, if you have seen these before, this is actually a mid-century piggy bank. One which I think was given out by places like banks and the post office in the UK when you open up an account. So this says Thrift Lloyd. Lloyds Bank there, Lloyds Bank Limited, got the Lloyds Bank symbol, founded in 1677. Is a kind of a nice little thing, and the size of it is very much in keeping with some small book formats which would definitely been around at the time. So that's just an example of the similar small book formats that you can get. This is entirely made of metal, coated with what looks like a printed vinyl. And it comes with a key. Now I had to buy this key separate. You can buy these on eBay quite commonly. This was a very common little saving box, little piggy bank. Well, let me show you how it works. It has these little, almost like teeth on hinges, so you can put all your coins in or notes and drop them in, and save up your pennies or whatever the denomination of coin you have at the time, and drop those in. And because of those little teeth, they will stop those coins coming back out, or notes. Now what's interesting is this is really just a latch. It's not really a lock. It's warded, so it's a type of warded lock, I guess. But the spring on this is incredibly heavy, like so strong. And you can try to make a copy of a key like this using a brass or alloy key, flat key blank, but you'll find that it probably will bend. I think, let me just check with a magnet, this is steel, yeah, and that's why it's so strong and able to turn that latch. So a simple way to open this would be to just bend a piece of very strong wire, pop that in, and retract these latches which lock into these little grips at the top. But I think there's a much easier way to getting into one of these little piggy banks, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Let me just empty this out. With a suitable hook, what you can do is you can go in at a small angle and reach up and then pull back directly on the latch to open the lock. So let's see if we can actually do that. Lock it up, go in, about halfway, find that latch, pull back on it, and we should get it to pop open, just like that. And that is a lot easier to do just reaching in and pulling back this little latch mechanism there than it is to mess around trying to find a piece of wire strong enough and thick enough to go into there and shape it if you want to get one of these open. So yeah, a very cool little Lloyds Bank money box, very cute little piece of mid-century design there. Really love this one. If you like it, please give it a like. If you have any comments, leave them below. Do you have one of these? Do you have the, they come in different colors? Do you have the post office one? Let me know in the comments. I do read them all, reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel out. And of course, I'll see you all next time.